This is Ecoflow Delta 2, the portable power station for home power backup, camping, and outdoor activities. In this video, we'll take a look at how to charge your Ecoflow Delta 2. Delta 2 allows for 4 versatile ways to charge. You can choose AC charging, solar charging, car charging, and finally, you can use the Ecoflow Smart Generator for charging during emergencies. Let's dive into each method in detail. With Ecoflow's Xtreme technology, you can charge Delta 2 from an AC wall outlet to 80% in just 50 minutes. There is also an in-app setting that allows you to adjust your AC charging speed. If you're going renewable with your Delta 2, you can use Ecoflow solar panels to charge your unit. Delta 2 can handle a solar input up to 500 watts. To set up, connect a series of panels using the solar connectors. Once done, you can plug the solar charging cable directly into your unit. Then adjust the solar panel on the kickstand case. Position it perpendicular to the sunlight and make sure the solar panels are unobstructed. To start charging, start up your car engine. Take your car charging cable and plug it into the car charging port. Then take the other end of the cable and plug it directly into your car cigarette lighter. In emergencies, you can use the Ecoflow Smart Generator for extra power. To set up your smart generator, turn the fuel cap vent lever and the engine switch to the on position and connect it to your Delta 2 via the extra battery port. Once set up, if the battery level drops to a preset level, the engine will start and charge your unit to full automatically. Or you can also start charging by pressing and holding the electric start button remotely from the Ecoflow app or manually with the starter grip. That covers all the ways to charge your Delta 2. Need more tutorials? Head to our Ecoflow YouTube channel.